Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Sign in to Salesforce and open Salesforce Maps after your admin grants cartography and mapping permissions. You will need location and record access to use features. Configure base map, data layers, and geocoding settings with a few clicks so addresses become map pins. Use the account or lead address field or latitude and longitude to geocode records. Verify at least one record per territory to confirm placement. Adjust layer visibility to focus on customers, prospects, or assets for immediate situational awareness. Define territories by drawing polygons on the map or importing GeoJSON or shapefiles. Each territory can represent a sales region, zip cluster, or routing area. Apply filters such as industry, revenue, or last activity date to show only the records that matter and save those views as reusable filters. Use drive time or distance radius tools. Set a 30-minute drive time or choose miles to identify nearby accounts and prioritize visits. Save territories and filters so reps see consistent boundaries and target lists across. Build and optimize routes by selecting stops from a saved view, setting a stop limit, up to 100, and choosing optimization by shortest travel time or priority. Add visit windows, estimated durations, and break times so the route reflects real workday constraints. Then publish the route to assign to a rep. Sync published routes and visits to the Salesforce Maps mobile app for turn-by-turn navigation and on-site check-ins. Export route data to CSV or update Salesforce records directly to log visit outcomes and follow-up tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.